interesting. So you just mentioned it because it was one of my other questions as well. You have a lot of like moving parts, editable parts, and of course, the bigger the company is, and the more websites there are, the more the chances of having non-technical users updating websites. You mentioned a bit briefly before, but how important are user roles? And typically, like in a typical environment with 1,000 websites, what type of different user roles you've seen, or what are the most recommended, I would say?
So first question, user roles are very important. So
Yeah,
yeah, they are very important because you really want to make sure that each and every person is only able to edit what they should be able to edit. So what you don't want, and that is actually tying into the question I've answered earlier, you don't want everything to be relying on, for example, developer or some site admin, and now he or she has to implement all the changes. You actually want each and every person who not necessarily who are not necessarily a professional, you want them to be able to make changes. You want them to be able to create a post or even create a landing page, just come up with a draft for it or with a real page, and then you only want somebody who has the knowledge about the entire system to deliver it, to deploy it, or give feedback.